Papa Glove here. I got the 6-pin best vintage type. I unfortunately did not have a control key, so I will not be able to gut it for you today, but I will be able to pick it. And here's what the bitting looks like. Sorry about that. Okay, not too wild. But these are both operating keys. Unfortunately, this lock did not come with a control key. And I realized that, come to find out that if a core hasn't been open to control, it kind of sticks to the plug, and the lock itself pushes it to operating, and vice versa. So I'm assuming this thing hasn't been open to control for a while. That's why it doesn't want to do that. But let's give it a try. Maybe we'll get lucky here. Top of the keyway, bottom of the keyway, doesn't really matter. Let's do bottom. Okay. I got a Peterson gem. Excuse me. All the way to the rear, and slight tension, barely any, to be honest. Working my way up. Let's try that again. And there we go. Okay, that was a 6-pin best, open to operating. I have picked this thing. I mean, I've been trying to get the core to it. I won an eBay auction, got got 8 of these, so I would really like to get the core out, make a control key, and then send it out to you guys. And of course I can't gut it, as there's no screw. This is a small format interchangeable core. This is the E keyway, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to subscribe. I got plenty more videos coming. Thank you.